I guess I have to catch a one little guy. Got him.
Get the big one?
No.
No.
The guy's got away, so I got the little guy. Temporary solution until the big guy start rising again. If you help me, I can land it quick. No, use your net. It's not a big one. Ah, stupid. Just stay right there. I'll bring him in. It's not that big. 14 inch at the most. I got him on everything on the video, so. Pretty color though, huh? They already got spawning color on it. Okay, head in. Got it. There you go. Oh. You looking up? Got him. Oh yeah, baby. I got everything in the video. Oh yeah. And it's candy. Look at that guy. You see how pretty that guy was?
Yep.
Finally got that sucker. I don't have videos coming up, but coming up here a little bit, Tom. Oh, this is beauty. Get coming up by right here. I'm gonna bring. Look at that color. And this candy did it again. Oh, here we go, here we go. Come on. Not yet. Did you get him? Oh yeah, not. Look at the color.
Oh my.
What do you mean finally got it? It's only 5 minutes. Change of fly.
You've been there 20 minutes.
No, I did not. I was dry fly fishing down there. Come on. I have to change the fly. Remember you said one take after change the fly? It'll be a while.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Go down below there, Tom. Look at that big brownie. I'm guessing about close to 23 incher.
Yeah.
Close to 23 incher, trust me.
Whatever it is, it's nice.
Thank you. At least 22 inches. It'll be a while there, Tom. I have to bring way down to my brother is. No, you're fine. Uh-oh, shoot, get out of there. Just got him, so it's gonna be a while. Still putting the head down. A little smaller than yesterday, huh? Yesterday was a little bigger.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta catch him in the mouth.
I thought I saw a triple hook one there.
Yeah, it's a treble hook, but it's in the mouth. There's so many people snagging fish, it's unreal.
Back up.
No, you're fine. As long as the fish are upstream, I got a better chance of landing it. Yeah, I took the young JR. I changed that. I know he's gonna eat it. Ah, stop saying that. I'm shooting the video right now. Where's that guy? He said, you gotta give him the right fly, otherwise they don't eat by mouth. Lots of people get him in the... Thank you, ma'am.
Well, it's not in yet.
Could you take him away for a little bit? He jinxed me.
Listen, I've been living with him 55 years.
Oh, that's...
Listen to that a many a time.
Oh, shit. I almost said the full letter S word in my video.
Here, you want me to get it?
Yeah, you land it. If you break it, then I'll charge you. I'll charge you $200. Yeah, he knows how to fight between the rocks. Yeah, right here. No, he's not gonna go too far. He's coming up here, Tom.
Huh?
He's coming up here. Oh, look at that, going to the crevices. Oh man, cannot lift the head up. I don't want to break 6X tip head off.
Get this rod out of the way. Thank you for moving that rod.
Faster water it is, I got a better chance of landing it.
Oh, yeah.
Like I said, at least 22 inches. Man, if I had a net, I could have gone there. There he goes. Come back here, baby. There you go. Shaking the head.
He's getting tired.
I sure hope so. I'm getting tired. It's a buddy system. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. I had him. Hey, Tom, come back down again. That's how I lost the big one yesterday. I gotta go down below. Hurry, 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 Tom. He's getting tired. Right behind those two rocks. Appreciate it. That's good, that's good, that's good. I'll bring you inside of it. Shaking the head again. Smile, Tom, he might... Ah, you son of a gun. Come on, give it up, baby. All I want is one picture. Maybe two pictures. Here goes, here goes. There goes. Head in, head in, head in, head in. Thank you very much.
Great.
You know what my name is?
I have no idea.
Lucky.
San Juan River.
Good luck.
Oh.
What does it say?
Huh?
Don't you know how to read it?
That's what I'm trying to read it.
Oh, you need a magnifying glass.
Kim.
That's me, sir.
Oh, it wouldn't be Kim.
Yeah, next time don't bet against me.
I thought you was German.
Ah, yes, sprechen Deutsch?